Hey, it's Adrienne from Mom Life with Adrienne. It is that time of the month that I got another wellness box. If you are unfamiliar, I get a box every month. Think of it as like Costco or Sam's Club, and you're getting it at a discount. But I get to personalize what I want in it. So everything in here, I pick out what I want each month, what we need, and it's all stuff. It's nothing extra. So it's not like, oh, I don't need this, but I'm going to buy it. No, this is all stuff that I would be buying somewhere else anyways, but it is cheaper, healthier, cleaner, non-toxic. So let's jump into what we got for this is April. Probiotics, I am out of them. My stomach is telling me I need them. I will be taking these in a few minutes. That is a staple. Shaving cream, it's getting that time of the year. Another, laundry soap. I must have really stocked up in laundry soap. I hope I checked that. I probably did, but I needed some more Tough and Tender, which is their all-purpose cleaner. It's a concentrate, so you add just a very little to a spray bottle that I already have. Mints. My oldest requested strawberry mints. They got them for Christmas, and she stole all 3 kids. So I got her more. We needed toothpaste. Brian has officially converted over to my toothpaste. He prefers the Exceed spearmint one. I think I have one of the other ones upstairs already. This month, for a special, they have the electrolytes hydration, which I drink every day anyways, but this one is pink grapefruit. I'm excited to try that one. I grabbed some chewy snack bars, whole oats and flax, coconut caramel, and chocolate. These I'm going to stick in my purse for work because and I'm gonna put some in the office. I've been working later, and I just really need to pack a lunch, but I'd rather have some grab-and-go snacks, and then I eat lunch when I get home. My workout bars this month, I got the Crazy Coconut and Chocolate. They are exercise bars with proven technology, turns fat into fuel. I've been doing these again. And the last thing I bought was for my sister, some Painerate, which is a topical pain relieving cream. I use it for headaches. I'll use it for like muscle aches or if my back's bothering me. We are going to try it for menstrual cramps. We are at that stage with our teenagers now. But that is just a small haul from our wellness box for this month. All staples, nothing. The only new thing is the flavor of the state, but everything else I have already loved and just getting more of. If you are interested in it, let me know. I will put the link below and we can talk if this is a good option for you. Thanks.